Hi everyone, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I have a crafting freebie in this obnoxiously huge box from Tilebar. If you're new here, welcome. My channel is all about teaching you how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and join my Facebook group where I post about all my steals, deals, and freebies I find in my travels in the crafting world. Yeah. So I've been on a little bit of a freebie hunt kick, sample kick. Yeah. So Monday I'm going to be having a crafting freebie video. That's going to be a new series, and I will link the playlist down below. This is not sponsored by anybody. This is a Tilebar sampler box. This is a special box. It delivers inspiration, forward-thinking style, and the very best of design. Okay, let's check this out. Oops, I need my scissors. Un scissors. Let's see. And this was completely 100% free. I did not have to pay for shipping or anything. Darned if I can remember what I ordered. Delivering the Tilebar experience you deserve. Get 4 free samples on us. Use code. Okay. So, get 4 free samples on us plus free shipping. Use code 4 as in the number, FREE, all capital letters. I'll link that down below too. They are on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. We are excited to have you join us on our mission to inspire, promote, service, and celebrate great design. Okay, interesting. Restrictions apply. I don't know if it's to this or not. Anyways, let's see what we got. This is an obnoxiously large box for what they actually sent. Let's see. Oh, dude, I only ordered this like a couple days ago. Holy crap, this came fast. I thought this was the other tile place I ordered from. Whoa! Okay, this is the one I was like so excited about. Oh, wait till you see this beautifulness. You're not going to believe this. Hopefully they sent them all. So basically you go online and you can peruse the stuff there and you just hit like get free sample. Like I'm not sure, I don't recall exactly if it's one of those sites where everyone has a free sample or if it's just some of them, but I believe most of them did. Holy monkeys, this is prettier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh my goodness. Okay. I am like super excited right now. So this is called the I may be hurting this word, I'm sorry. Komarebi glass tile. Okay, this stuff is like $35 a square foot. I didn't pick it because it's expensive. I picked it because it really inspired me to make something with it. So this is the first one. I gotta spread them out because, oh, it has it on the back? Yes, you are amazing. Okay, I love people that label their freaking samples. So this is what it looks like. This is crazy cool. You see how awesome that is? This is the Komarebi Bonfire Polished Glass Hexagon Mosaic. How cool is that? And that's what it looks like all together. Thank you, Tilebar. What? Is that not awesome? Oh my God, I can't wait to play with those. You're going to notice the theme here. This is the Komarebi tiles in Firefly. Look at that shimmer. That's amazing. Oh my God, so cool. So amazing. I'll show you both of those next to each other. Like that. Amazing. And then this is the Coma Rebby in Canal. So more of like a green-gray color. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Ooh, this is what I'm most excited about. Holy God, that's beautiful. What? I'm sorry. This is the Coma Rebby Juno Spring. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my God. Is that not beautiful? But look, this is what the piece looks like. So I wasn't really sure with this one what color I was going to get. See how it's got all different ones? What does that say? It's very small. Samples are intended to be a typical representation of the product. Final product may vary. Okay. Oh my goodness. So we have the blues. And this one. I don't know if I can actually hold all these up. I'm going to do my best here, folks. Yep. Sailboat. Sailboat, sailboat. There we go. So these are all the samples. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. I'm waffling between the bonfire and the spring blue here. Isn't that pretty? And basically what you can do with the back is they're attached to this, this thing on the back. They're attached to it. But you can easily cut them apart. So if you look between, there's just that stuff between. So this looks like something that may be easy to craft with. Honestly, I couldn't tell how big they were going to be online, but my initial thought was like a pendant. I'm going to give that a go and see if it works out. My initial thought was to crochet around this and make it into a pendant. What do you guys think with that idea? What does this make you want to make? I mean, it just gives me all kinds of inspiration for different projects. Is that not beautiful? Well, this would make a really cool frame, too, for a small picture, because you could just put them together like that, and they make a really nice corner. See those two? That could be cool, too. I don't know. This is so beautiful. Oh, I love them. Thank you, Tilebar. To show these to my dad. He might actually really like these to buy. Okay. Awesome freebie. I will post all the information down below. Yeah, another edition of Crafting Freebies. This is so cool. I am so excited. Ooh, so amazing. You can't see it over there, so I'll just show you one more look at each of them. Here's this one. This is the Firefly, the Bonfire, the Juno Spring, and the Canal. There were more colors of this that I didn't get. It was kind of hard to choose, I'll be honest with you, but these are beautiful. All right, tell me what you think I should make with them down below. Let me know if you go and get something from Tilebar. Tag me if you do. And yeah, please like, share, and subscribe so your friends can learn to be affordably crafty too. Have a creative day, everyone. Bye-bye.